French, Weibel, François Xavier, Francisco Xavier is my name, as him. And it's the first time I come in Goa, in Old Goa. I'm very happy to meet Francisco Xavier because I had a big car accident 5 years ago. My car was totally destroyed and I was still alive, thanks to him. So for me to be here is very important. And I came last Wednesday, and every day I take time for visit him. And it's a very peaceful area here. Many people are together, and I hope the world could be better if we are together. Even there are war, but I hope in the future we have to keep hope for a better world. The infrastructure are very, very good. People are very kind. They make the queue without any trouble. This very, very marvelous. Thank you so much.